a severe winter storm that struck western New York on January 28, 1977. There was extreme wind gusts up to 69 miles per hour and massive snowdrifts reaching 30 to 40 feet high. There were at least 23 storm-related deaths. Thousands of vehicles were abandoned, and many people were stranded, leading to emergency shelters being set up in places like hotels and auditoriums. There was 100 inches of snow and power outages where people went weeks without power. People did not have cell phones. Many could not make calls or even get out to take pictures. They were totally stranded wherever they were. Most pictures were taken weeks after people finally got free from this horrifying storm. Frostbite would happen quick as the temperatures were below zero and the wind chills were minus 60 degrees in Buffalo, New York. The people that survived the blizzard of '77 will never forget. Sadly, some people did not make it,